Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 8, JavaScript and HTML Elements. Lesson 8.2, Create HTML Elements. In between the round brackets of create element, we type the HTML element we want to create. This needs to go inside of quote marks, single or double. We want to create a new paragraph using the p tag. The HTML element is created with lowercase letters. We've then assigned the new tag to a variable that we've called new para. To add some new text with JavaScript, we can use the createTextNode method of the document object. Again, the text we want to add goes between quote marks. The newly created text is then placed in a variable. We've called ours addNews. Another way to add a text node is like this. Here, we're only using createTextNode and appendChild. This directly references the ID with getElementById. After a dot, we can then just use appendChild, passing it the new text. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.